हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक। मार्केट्स लगता है फाइनली गर्मियों की छुट्टी के बाहर आने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं एंड टुडे व्हाट अ डे इट वाज। बैंक निफ्टी निफ्टी बैंकिंग स्टॉक्स और सारे सेक्टर्स में एक अच्छा मूव देखने को मिला है। शायद हम अब एक रेंज को ब्रेक करने वाले हैं, या फिर वापस से कोई डाउनसाइड का मूवमेंट आएगा जिसकी अभी एट द वेरी फेस ऑफ इट एक्सपेक्टेशंस तो थोड़ी कम सी लग रही हैं। बट क्या हो सकता है और क्या हुआ, एज ऑलवेज हम अपने कंफ्यूजन को दूर करने के लिए जाते हैं एके के पास। देखते हैं कि आज के मूव को वो किस तरीके से रीड कर रहे हैं।
Good evening, Rachit. I'm good. How are you?
आई एम एक्साइटेड।
Yes, as you should be.
सो हाउ वाज द डे एंड नाउ वेयर आर वी हेडिंग?
Uh, let's talk about before I talk about what happened today, Friday. Let's talk about the rest of the week.
ओके।
So अगर आप चार्ट देखें पूरे वीक का, तो Monday to Thursday we did not do much. Rather, Monday to Wednesday, we did not do much, and we traded in possibly 200-point range on Nifty.
राइट।
Like that. Okay, अगर आप weekly high और low देखें, तो lowest point week में 24,671 and high as touched today 25,030, roughly that levels. Okay. So अब ये देखिए, and obviously you and I both know that what happened today. In fact, I've been talking about this for the last couple of times in this video, in the weekly roundup that we do. That our figures in terms of inflation, in terms of tax collection, in terms of IIP, are all coming. You know, I would not say positive, but it is coming in a direction where we can expect uh, good positive steps from the RBI.
राइट।
ये मैंने पिछले 2 वीडियोस में भी आपको बोला था कि आरबीआई को बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इकोनॉमिक डेटा कमिंग सो पॉजिटिव एंड होपफुल, it gives RBI a lot of room and to play around.
राइट।
मतलब आरबीआई को खुली वो दे दी है कि you can focus on growth because now inflation is under control. Main thing is main concern why RBI can't push for growth is when your WPI is extremely high or beyond comfort level. Okay,
राइट।
वो 2 या 3 weeks से WPI has been coming steadily lower and lower, and that gives RBI more room. And I was expecting, in fact, last week when we spoke, I told you, only this MPC meeting is the only possible trigger that could come in the following week. And I remember you saying, yeah, 25 basis point is what the street is expecting. So सही बात है, मतलब before Thursday it was all 25 basis point only, and I don't know why some of the people associated with the banking space, they had a hunch that it may be 50 basis point.
राइट।
But to be very honest, Rachit, मैंने जहां तक मुझे अपने करियर में याद नहीं आता है that RBI has acted so aggressively in any direction. In fact, एक दिन में 50 basis point rate cut and 100 basis point CRR cut. That is a very aggressive step by RBI. I mean, historically, I've never seen RBI act so aggressively.
राइट।
So obviously this took me by surprise. It obviously took the markets by surprise. So what we saw on Friday, rather than what we saw on Friday. See, वेडनेसडे एंड फ्राइडे इस वीक में खास बात यह कि 2 बार आपकी बैंक निफ्टी लाइफ हाई टच की है. ओके, and rightfully so. I am not saying this move is going to inject about 250,000 crores excess liquidity into the system. Okay. So on the face of it, it is clearly very positive for banks, for NBFCs, and for all interest rate sensitives. अगर आप मूवमेंट भी देखें तो सारा मैक्सिमम मूवमेंट उनमें ही आया है. बैंक निफ्टी इज ऑन लाइफ हाई. पिछले 2 दिन से द मूवमेंट इज very very dominated by ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, and so on, right? So अगर आप देखें तो उसमें मूवमेंट आया है, and we have taken kind of factored in this positive news. Okay, but what I want to say is that this is one part of it.
Okay.
See, is one thing to make credit cheap. It is another thing to see that is taken, that credit offtake is there. There are two sides, and both sides have to fall in place. RBI तो रेट काट देगी, कोई बात नहीं, लोन सस्ते हो जाएंगे, कोई बात नहीं, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आपका अगर इकोनॉमिक कंजम्पशन ही ऊपर नहीं जाएगा तो वो लोन की ऑफटेक नहीं होगी, एक्सपेंशन प्लान्स मटेरियलाइज नहीं करेंगे या डिले होंगे.
राइट.
If I am a manufacturer of something and I do not see my market expanding or do not see my market growing, why will I put any money in capex? It's a simple thing, simple logic.
Got it.
So on the large scale, जो आप बोल रहे हैं कि RBI ने इतना कुछ इंजेक्ट कर दिया है and things have become great and all that. I agree. Everything has become great. Interest rates sensitives have reacted and rightfully react. I'm not saying. But what has the Nifty done? The Nifty on the basis of banks have gone to another level. Okay. A lot of this can be attributed to short covering rather than fresh buying. जो हमने फ्राइडे को मूवमेंट देखा वो बहुत, मतलब आप देखिए, बहुत एक सिंबॉलिक मूवमेंट है. थर्सडे की मूवमेंट में थर्सडे को एक जनरल नोशन था कि 24,750 इज मेंटली a barrier where we cross it and then we move to the next level. Thursday's closing was exactly at 24,750.
Right.
Very specific, right? अब उसके बाद हम क्या देख रहे हैं? उसके बाद हम 25,000 का एक मेंटल बैरियर देख रहे हैं. 25,000 इज अ बिग साइकोलॉजिकल बेंचमार्क. ठीक है, 25,003 क्लोजिंग आई है. और आप फ्राइडे को थ्रू द डे मूवमेंट अगर आप देखें तो 25,000 इज अ लेवल व्हिच वाज नॉट इजीली क्रॉस्ड एंड मतलब उसको लांग के चला नहीं गया बाजार ऊपर. बहुत मुश्किल, बहुत अटेम्प्ट्स, पूरे दिन बहुत अटेम्प्ट्स करने के बाद
it was struggling all throughout the day.
It kept going down, up, down, on either side of 25,000, and eventually it closed above 25,000, which is again, psychologically a very good thing कि 25,000 के ऊपर हुआ है. बट रचित, मैं लॉन्गर टर्म चार्ट्स जो मैंने स्टडी किए हैं, मैं आपको पिछले 2-3 वीक से बोल रहा हूँ कि 24,600 और 25,120 is my broad range.
Right.
Good news can take it beyond and pull it back. Bad news can take it under and pull it back. It's like an elastic. Rubber band है, stretch करो, वापस उस जगह पे आ जाएगा. ये रेंज मेरे हिसाब से this the 4th week I'm telling you, ये रेंज बरकरार है अभी. मुझे ये
today's news, which could have been a news which would have triggered the upside and it would have broken those levels, Nifty नहीं कर पाई. तो does that mean that in the beginning when I was talking about the idea कि गर्मियों की छुट्टी खत्म होने वाली नहीं, are we still in the house? Are we still looking at that particular range after so much of struggle, so much of good news? Are we still sticking around to that particular range? We are not going up.
Rachit, okay, this brings us to what is going to happen in the coming week.
Right.
I feel that till the time, because on the charts, 25,150 or 25,120 to be more precise, is a very, very strong resistance level. एक बहुत ही strong resistance level है. तो इसमें there are two things. जब तक हम वो क्रॉस नहीं करते हैं, I will not be confident of markets actually taking a fresh call. We can buy from here, taking with a view of whatever 300, 400 point forward. I am not comfortable unless we cross that and sustain it. Okay. Secondly, once we cross that, then that becomes an equally important support level.
Okay.
I see this entire range take a full shift upwards once we cross. So जहां हम 25,000 पे एक रेंज के टॉप पे हैं, वहां हम 25,150 या 25,200 में दूसरे रेंज के बॉटम पे होंगे. आप समझ रहे हैं? इस समय मैं आपको बाइंग नहीं बोल सकता हूं क्योंकि हम रेंज के टॉप पे है, और 200 पॉइंट ऊपर हम रेंज के बॉटम पे होंगे. उस समय मैं बाइंग बोलूंगा, क्योंकि उस समय फिर मेरा उस समय आई कैन टेक स्टडी द चार्ट एंड से कि ओके फाइन, नाउ आई सी 300 400 पॉइंट्स अपसाइड फ्रॉम हियर. It is such a strong level of zone. It's such a strong zone that once it depends on what side it is on, it changes the entire outlook of the market. उसके नीचे है तो सेल है, उसके ऊपर है तो बाय है. इतना crucial level है.
So in that case, what are we doing next week?
I would again say wait and watch. रचित, जिस पॉजिटिव वे में मार्केट बंद हुआ है with all this news and all that, I will not be surprised if we see a gap up on Monday. Okay. We might even momentarily see 25,120 being broken, no doubt. But जब तक एक या दो क्लोजिंग उसके ऊपर नहीं देता है, मैं कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हूँ. Honestly, if you ask me how I will trade, I would rather take a buy call on Nifty at 25,200 than to take a buy or sell at 25,100 or 120 उस लेवल पे. I will be comfortable कि अगर वो 120, 100, 120 का रेंज जो है वो क्रॉस करके कंफर्टेबली हो जाए, ऊपर सेटल हो जाए ऊपर, उसके बाद मैं बाय कर सकता हूँ. Maybe I analyze and see the charts and see that हो सकता है यहाँ से और 300-400 पॉइंट का अपसाइड है, तो मैं फिर बाय करने का कॉल दे सकता हूँ या खुद बाय कर सकता हूँ. बट राइट नाउ I will not speculate on Nifty crossing and sustaining 25,120. It can do it, but I will not get on a high horse right now. अगर आप बोलोगे कि इस प्राइस पे मुझे 120 के ऊपर दिख रहा है तो should I buy? I will not do that.
On the flip side, can we go short on these levels with strict stop loss of?
Again, very, very risky. Very short at this level is extremely risky because again, like I told you, we are at a cusp. हम एक 25,000 और 25,150 का जो वो है 150 पॉइंट की जो रेंज है, हम एक कस्प पे हैं. इट्स लाइक अ नो मैन्स लैंड, एकदम नो मैन्स लैंड है. अभी इसके नीचे हम मेंटेन रखते हैं तो आप शॉर्ट रखिए, इसके ऊपर हम मेंटेन करते हैं तो बाय करिए, बट इस लेवल पे कुछ मत करिए.
Amazing. I believe in the history of legal roundup, this is for the first time that this is happening, that we are actually nowhere, and the kind of excitement that I had in my mind has already fizzled out, and now we are looking at a week wherein it would be very difficult for us to even decide as to where are we heading. But this is what it is, and I believe that it just makes me believe that at the time when the summer vacations used to get over and we had to head back to schools, there were some projects and certain things which we had to complete, and it used to bring everything at a halt. And I think this week would be something of that sort, and most probably we might be somewhere on the downside or the upside of this particular range, and then we'll be in a better position to decide as to where are we heading. But this week, again, something difficult to do for people like us to wait and watch, sit in front of the screen and do nothing would be quite difficult. But anyhow, something which is there in front of us.
Rachit, I'm telling you, do not, ऐसी कोई वो नहीं है, just give it 2 days. Just give it Monday and Tuesday. We will, something decisive is going to happen either Monday or Tuesday. Either we will stay below that 25-120 mark. If it stays below that 25-120 mark, then I don't see in this, क्या है, बाजार को चलने के लिए चारा चाहिए, fodder.
Right.
जितना फॉर्डर दिया है हमने इस वीक, वो सब कुछ खा गया बाजार. अब खा के वो 25,000 तक पहुंच गया है. अब क्या है, 25,000 और 25,150 का जो दूरी है, वो सेम फूड पे सस्टेन करेगा नहीं करेगा, वो बात है. अगर वो नहीं करेगा तो फिर नया चारा चाहिए. फिर लेट्स स्टार्ट लुकिंग फॉर न्यू फॉर्डर और न्यू ट्रिगर. मतलब व्हाटएवर, एक बहुत सिंपल बना करो और आप आगे चलो, वही बात है.
चलिए, got it. So most probably in the first 2 days of trading session, if we are maintaining somewhere below 25-100, then we can look into shorts. And if there is something, some change in the direction or change in movement, and on Monday and Tuesday, if we somehow maintain above 25, 150 or 200, then we can have a new direction on the upside. And in that case, are we again looking at 400 or 600 points of upside, or the range might change in order?
That I will, as I believe, we'll cross that bridge when we come to it.
चलिए,
दिखाने दीजिए ट्यूसडे को 25-200 दिखाने दीजिए. मैं फिर चार्ट खोलूंगा, फिर स्टडी करूंगा, फिर थोड़े लॉजिक लगाऊंगा, और फिर अगले वीक आ जाऊंगा आपको बोलने के लिए कि भाई अब मुझे 400 दिखता है, 600 दिखता है, जो भी है.
Got it. And somehow if we can read between the lines, ये भी एक मैसेज है कि there is a very less probability that we might cross these levels and sustain. चलिए, point well taken, and as always it was amazing talking and learning. Or hopefully we'll see you again in the next weekly roundup. Till then, thank you and have a happy weekend.
Happy weekend to you. Okay, bye-bye.
Yeah, bye.